Have you ever wondered if layering mousse and a gel could completely improve your curls? In today's video, I'm going to break down the Mousse-Gel-Mousse Method, a styling hack that's been a game changer for me. I'll show you exactly how to do it, what quantities to use, and why this might just be the answer for lightweight volume, definition, and long-lasting curls. Plus, I'm using the Bouclem volumizing foam and the gel, the Seal and Shield line. Two products I swear by, especially if your hair needs protein or humidity protection. Let's get started! First, I prepped my hair. I clarified my hair with a clarifying shampoo and I used a exfoliating scalp scrub. This ensured that my scalp was squeaky clean. This step is crucial, especially if you deal with greasy, itchy scalp or limp, weighed down hair. After conditioning, I detangled and rinsed my hair thoroughly to start my styling step. I started with the Bouclem Super Volumizing Foam. It's rich in protein, making it perfect for repairing any damage and adding structure to color-treated hair. I took a generous amount for the first layer. Given that I had not deep conditioned my hair or used leave-in or cream, I just thought this would balance my dryness. My hair was clean and dry, and so it needed an extra boost for both the moisture and hold. This mousse is super lightweight, so even with the generous amount that was used, my hair did not feel limp or heavy with it. Plus, the signature scent, the herbal scent that Bouclem has, is so calming. It makes the whole process feel like self-care. Next, I added a small amount of the Seal and Shield Curl Defining Gel. This gel is protein-free and glycerin-free, making it perfect to fight humidity while still offering strong hold. I used just a tiny bit, focusing on scrunching it in. This step locks in the definition while keeping my curls bouncy and flexible. Finally, I finished with one pump of mousse for each side of my hair. This layer enhances the volume and also brings out my natural pattern. The mousse added just enough structure without losing any softness. I scrunched a lot to reinforce the shape, but you can style however you want. Brush styling, finger coiling, just raking or scrunching. It's really up to you how you style your hair with these products. And here is the result. Big, fluffy curls with loads of definition. This is the kind of volume that I usually get on day 3 after wash day. If your hair feels limp and weighed down after you've styled your hair with curly hair products, then I would suggest give this method a try. This method could be your answer. The layering technique keeps your hair lightweight and bouncy while delivering long-lasting results. If you're ready to improve your styling routine, then give this a try. And remember, if you're looking for personalized consultation to know exactly what products to use for your texture, what styling method is perfect for your hair type, then know that we can discuss all of that on my one-on-one consultation worldwide. Let's count, but I think it's day 4 today. Yeah, day 4. And I love how it is. Definitely try this method again when I don't have to go anywhere. But now I have to. It's date night. This is my outfit. But this hair needs a little bit of a touch-up, like a refresh. So I'm going to use the same family gel because I used this on wash day. So if I use anything else, I don't know how that's going to turn out. So the best bet is to use the same product to refresh the products you used on wash day. So just a tiny bit. This is a little bit, tiny bit. I'm gonna put water. Smoothen it out. Then the magic. Just spraying hands. one side, I'll do the same on the other side. My lips too glossy. Okay, get a tissue. It's going to be a rooftop dinner-ish thing. So this gel will fight the humidity. And I'm outside. Clean it up over here, especially so it looks more neater. Just settles it down. I'm going to just quickly diffuse it. Change my mind. This is day 4 and I'm going out with this. I love it. What do you think? Will you try this method? Now you know how to refresh your hair also.
So then, why?
I hope this tutorial answered all your questions about the Mousse-Gel-Mousse method. Subscribe for more curly hair tutorials and let me know in the comments what do you want me to try next. See you next Sunday.